There are many channels on YouTube now that have grown very quickly with very little video. How did it grow? I will explain those things to you today.
Do it! A few moments later.
In this video, I'm not going to tell you anything about title, thumbnail, video editing, tag, description. Those are very important. But today I'm going to share something that no one has ever told you in any YouTube video. Watch their video for understand something. Every video is experimental. Just like we like to watch review videos before buying something. We also like to see what's happening on YouTube. So far, most of the fastest growing channel on YouTube have done this kind of experimental work and are feeding the audience and growing themselves. So why are you sitting? Watch their videos to get ideas and start working. If you learn something new in this video, please like and subscribe and comment if you know this technique. Check out our other analysis video. See you there. Thanks for watching.